Listen, do not think God has forgotten you. God does not know I exist. God does not want to help me. No. No, sir. No, man. That challenges you are going through is for the glory of God. It's not to destroy you.
At all.
Not until people start saying you are using their glory. You are using juju. Your hands are not clean. You have not arrived. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Until people start saying, no, now my glory they use. He had no clean. Now occultic woman. Now occultic. Until people start saying that, you have not started anything in life.
So.
But I am here to announce to you that before now, till the next 21 days, if God truly be God, a miracle that will make people to say your hand is not clean. If you shout a loud amen, that miracle will enter your hand. Amen.